In the last episode, you saw that we explored Mawphanlur, the land of 7 artificial lakes, a picturesque location, and an offbeat place in Meghalaya. We stayed the night at Drenyla cottage. In the later half of the day, we travelled from Mawphanlur to Shillong and explored the mighty and majestic Lake on the way. In this episode, you will see our return journey from Shillong to Guwahati and the exploration of the beautiful riverfront in Guwahati. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Doctraveller MN. Welcome to another episode of our Meghalaya series. Today is 12th of October 2024 and 1:15 in the afternoon, and we are now travelling from Shillong to Guwahati. Distance of Guwahati from Lake is about 80 kilometers, and we are now traveling on NH6, and it will take us roughly about 2 hours. Both sides of the road is lined with greenery, as you can see. The roads are winding in nature, but the lanes are quite broad on each side. It's a beautiful journey from Shillong to Guwahati, full of greenery, small houses, well-paved road, and you will surely enjoy the drive. It was close to 2 p.m. We decided to halt at a roadside dhaba to have lunch. It's called the Sardarji Dhaba. Lots of vehicles were parked in the premises of the dhaba, and it seemed that this was quite a popular destination with the tourists or the localites. We ordered veg thali. The food was in huge quantities. We decided to share, and there were about 4 sabzis with dal, chutney, salad, papad, etc. The sitting arena was good, neat and clean and spacious. There was also seating arrangement on the outside if you wanted. So after having a filling meal, we started onward on our journey. Durga Puja Pandal can be seen on the right hand side. Look at the greenery on the sides of the road. There are these small thatched houses selling snacks items and local food. It was indeed beautiful drive. Toll gate arrives. Guwahati is about 25 kilometers from here. Another Durga Puja Pandal on the right hand side. There seems to be a thriving Bengali community here. This is the building of a big hospital on the left hand side. I'm not sure about the name of the hospital. We are on the outskirts of the city of Guwahati. Guwahati is quite neat and clean and green as well. Look at this beautiful bamboo bridge. Incredible. We are heading towards Paltan Bazaar. On the left hand side you see Assam Legislative Assembly. That's the Assam Tea Auction Center. Today being the day of Vijayadashami, Durga idols going for immersion. We are nearing Guwahati railway station. Today we will be staying at the station retiring room. This is platform number 1 in Guwahati station, and the retiring room which is newly opened, it's an AC retiring room, is situated at the end of platform number 1. So this is our stay for the night today. This is the newly opened AC retiring room. This is the bedroom area. It's quite big and spacious. There's a large TV screen and there is AC, as you can see. This is the changing and dressing room area. There's a dressing table and there is a wardrobe where blankets and all have been provided. This is the view of the lawn area which is situated within the premises, and the staff is tending to the flower pots. And now we will see the washroom area as well. So this is also quite big and nice with geyser provided and neat and clean. So overall it's a nice accommodation. We are now proceeding towards Brahmaputra riverfront area, which is at a distance of hardly a kilometer from the railway station premises. It's evening 4:20 p.m. now. This is the back side of the AC retiring room premises, and there is a small lawn or garden area that you can see, well maintained. And this is the premises. As you can see, the building structure, it's quite neatly maintained. Today is the day of Vijayadashami, and we have come to visit a pandal which has been made very close to the railway station premises. And this is the pandal. It is a replica of Ma Kamakhya Mandir at Guwahati, and so this is Devi Ma, beautifully sculpted Durga Ma along with her family. She is being prayed to. We offered our prayers to Devi Ma. This is the pandal from inside, neatly decorated. And these are all the beautiful paintings of Sanatana Dharma, which has been painted on the side walls of the pandal. Truly beautiful. We have arrived at Brahmaputra riverfront. So this is the entry gate. And entry charge is rupees 50 per adult, and for children below 10 years the entry is free. When we visited this place last year, the entry charges were actually 100 rupees per adult, but now the ticket prices have been reduced. It's a neatly maintained park, as you can see. After walking for about 200 to 300 meters, we have finally reached the riverfront area. Look at the mighty Brahmaputra river here. Indeed, it's a beautiful sight. River Brahmaputra arises from Lake Mansarovar in Tibet, enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through the valley of Assam, ultimately to merge with Ganges, which is known as Padma River in Bangladesh, to ultimately flow into Bay of Bengal. It is a long river, traverses a distance of about 3,000 kilometers through China, India and Bangladesh. Now this river becomes huge only upon its entry in India, because the rainwaters and different other streams of waters flow into the river Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is considered the lifeline of Assam. What you can see here is India's largest river ropeway, which starts from Kachhari Ghat in Guwahati and goes up to northern Guwahati. So it is a great way to connect this part of the city with northern part. That's the floating restaurant on the riverside, and people seem to be enjoying there. You can have snacks and tea or coffee inside, and look at the beautifully decorated river bank area, and all the local people and tourists seem to enjoy their evening time here. It's a beautifully maintained park, as you can see, greenery all around with beautiful pavements where you can click selfies and photographs, and also beautifully planted flowering plants. Look at this beautiful plant. There is also a water body inside the park where you can enjoy the cool breeze in the evenings. Now with the lights on, this park truly looks beautiful. You can see several local people enjoying with their families and kids in this beautiful park area. The park was inaugurated in January 2024 by our Home Minister Amit Shah along with the Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma. It had been a hectic day today, traveling from Mawphanlur to Guwahati, and it was time to call an end to the day. So what you can see is the beautiful lighting on the road because of Vijayadashami celebrations. I hope you liked this short vlog. Do let me know in the comments. Till then, goodbye and take care.